What's up, YouTube? This is Colesaurus, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a popping sound with your fingers up against your cheek. This is what it looks like. Now, I'm going to do that again. That one was kind of bad. Ready? Yeah, that one was kind of good. Alright, so first, you're going to need to do this. You're going to have to set this finger in this kind of web part right here. Not up too high, not down too low, just right in that part, like right in that web part, like this part right here, just like this. And then you're gonna have to close it, not too tight, not too loose, just enough to touch your finger. I mean, you might want to squeeze a little bit, then press it hard up against your cheek. Then you press it hard up against your cheek, and then just do that with your finger. Like, just flick it. Alright. Alright. Sure hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below, give 1,000 likes, and give a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.